Hey, good morning. Today I wake up in this cabin. We are near Brenas. I'm gonna try the slopes ski resort of Brenas. The first time I'm here. I'm right now 15 minutes drive to the pistes. Looks like we have a little bit of sun today. It's gonna be very nice day. I have been frozen outside. It's not snow anymore, but it's frozen. Very nice cottage, by the way. Okay, we are on one red right now. It's pretty nice. You have wet snow. Very easy. Pretty nice. I like it. Let's go. Let's do some good turn.
Let's leave it all behind. We'll keep the sun shining and let it tell the time. Anywhere you wanna go, I'll show you my world.
Hey, good morning. So we are here skiing in Brenas. I'm in the chairlift right now. This is the end of the season. We have some hard snow. It is not icy at all. It can be skiing. We start to see the grass below, but it's quite okay for skiing. I like it. The only thing is we cannot make off-road. But okay, let's go. Let's try it. Welcome to Brenas.
If we leave now, we'll get away before these old bones, they start to ache. Are you with me? Said, are you with me? Let's escape this storm. We'll run all night till we're somewhere warm. Let the rain it pour. We'll run all night till we're somewhere warm. Somewhere warm.
Okay, so the resort it's around one mountain. We have in this side that we have more easy slopes. We have some greens, some blues, and from the other side of the mountain we have some very good reds and some black slopes. Okay, let's go try it.
I feel the cold around the bend, thermometer starting to descend. Are you with me? I said, are you with me?
Look.
If we leave now, we'll get away.
Look at the sun. It's sunny. It's
It's
very sunny.
Said, are you with me?
Actually, it's quite hot.
Let's escape this storm. We'll run all night till we're somewhere warm. Let the rain it pour. We'll run all night till we're somewhere warm. Somewhere warm.
It's very nice. It's not almost people. You don't have to make any line. It's very, very nice for skiing. Brenas in April. The only thing, the snow conditions are not the best ones. It's a little bit hard. Some ice blocks in there, but it's quite okay. I like it. It's 100% open. All the slope opens. All the chairlift open. It's perfect day for enjoying it. We have a little bit of sun. That is very weird here in Sweden.
Shake hands with the sunrise. Are you with me? said, are you with me?
Okay, look at this. This is spring and we have tons of snow spring, also called wet snow. Okay, the resort is quite complete. We have some chairlift, we have this stand-up lift, we have some cabin. You can choose whatever you want. Everything is connected. We have even a bridge connecting another hill. I'm liking it.
Ask me why and I'll show you. We will continue to see what we've been breathing in, breathing out. Fills my life.
Cabin time. You can rest a little bit. It's okay. We have map. You see the resort. We are doing this from here, going up to the hill. Right now we have made this black the number 8 with the 7, 7, 10, 9 onto the slopes. Okay, let's try now the other hill. I'm gonna cross the bridge. I'm gonna try the second hill for 20, 15, 15, or maybe these numbers here. This side is more easy. I would say it's for beginners, and right now it's very icy. I don't like it, I prefer this side. I'm gonna be more in here, let's see the sun. Improve this a little bit. It's 10 and some shit is starting our lunch. This is crazy. This country is crazy. Okay, I'm doing the bridge right now. Let's go. We are here. We have made this. Here is a park. And actually it's a hill. Looks like it's bottom or it's a hill. You can cross-link to the very beginning or make this area here. $16, $14, another child lift. Let's do this side. It's beautiful, right? So beautiful.
All the parties say we are wild things. Dollar signs to change. Watch me do my thing. I do my thing. I do my thing.
Focus on the game, you just wanna save and show you how we do this right.
I do my thing.
Focus on the game, you just wanna save and show you how we do this.
How many different restaurants? So you can choose. You want pizza, you want tacos in the top, You got some burger, you got some Swedish food, you got some barbecue, like some sausages and so on. And okay, yes, enough for choosing quite a lot. You have one on each base, one in the parking side and where the cabins start, where the lift starts, and you have one in the top. That's pretty amazing, the one in the top, but only have tacos and some this kind of food, so I was looking for the burger for making the comparison, so I go to Brian Bar in the parking area. Yeah, so I like it. I'm very hungry. Okay. So now for all the food in Branagh, you have to download Happy Order app and go to the restaurant you are in Bran's restaurant. You click here and then you choose lunchtime, Matt. I'm gonna go for the burger, potatoes and beer, 211 crowns. So it's pretty nice price, yeah. But the burger, the meat is nice, but the bread is a little bit fluffy. I have to say that the potatoes are quite good. McDonald's style, crunchy, not natural, but good enough. The burger was good. I would give a 6/10. The meat is nice, 180 grams of Swedish meat, fantastic, amazing. Had some salad, some tomatoes, some mayonnaise, but big goal. The bread was not good. I mean, it was like overdue date, I don't know. Please take care of the bread. Have some dip sauce, and I would say it worth it. The price was 139 crowns, burger, chips, and the dip sauce, so pretty good price for Sweden. And the 40 centiliters beer was 71 crowns. So I guess the price for having food here in the resort in Branagh was quite affordable, quite nice, and I recommend it. It's pretty nice.
I wanna get to know you. On a road trip to California, we can head out west and do our best to blend in.
Okay, we are gonna do now 33 and 7. That looks like they are the longest slopes of the resort, and I don't know, that probably means less long road, so let's try it, why not? You know, afternoon is hot, I'm full, the burger printing quite a lot. Let's go a little bit, let's warm up.
To chase adventure down, I wanna feel alive in a world so bright. I wanna see new colors.
For the number 7, Solbakken. Let's see, this red slope is a challenge.
Cast our cares to the wayside. After all this time, we're still taking the climb. We're never coming down.
There's some traffic in the very beginning. Let's ride the other side of the mountain. Let's go for the reds. Let's go for the blacks. Let's see what is happening here. Come on.
I wanna see new colors.
All right. I just made that black. That I have to say that with the sun, the ice is melting, so we have very nice wet snow for making blacks. I would say that Branagh is good looks for families, and it has not a lot of kilometers, so maybe you can get bored if you are a long experienced skier. But it's okay, it's pretty nice. They have, I would say, the longest slope I ever seen. It's longer than in Salem. And I don't know, I will try in the following days another ski resorts. But I have listened that in here they have the longest slope in Sweden. And I like it, it's nice. I would like to have tried it with some others now. But it's the thing, you come in April, you don't have it. You only have the slopes. A very nice trees, look. Very nice. So I would say Brennan Resort is one resort can be skiing whole day in one day for sure. It's okay for one day. You only repeat a couple of slopes if you want. It's not like enough for not repeating one single slope. You are all the day skiing. In addition, this resort is a very nice schedule, so you can be skiing from 9 in the morning to 7 in the afternoon. So you can ski all you want till you get tired, very, very tired, and your legs burn. Olicon is 6 hours from Gothenburg. You have to drive quite a lot. I'm gonna visit 4 ski resorts, maybe 5, I don't know, it depends on the time I have. I already have been in 3 more, so after the trip I will give you my pros and cons of all of them, and I will do my top tier list of ski resorts in Sweden. Let us start.
Shining free of my mind like no other. The stars in your eyes, I see the whole